It's real to dev. What is good, everybody? It's real to dev. Thank you for taking the time to come out and rock with the channel. Check it out. So yeah, I'm just started using one of these live view features on Google Maps, and all you got to do is be on some storefronts, and then you get the augmented reality arrows to show up and point you to the spot you're trying to find. I'm over here looking for this taco shop that I can't really seem to find. Thought this would be a good opportunity. Thought this might be a good opportunity. Just kind of use this feature that I've been curious about really trying, because I haven't been able to really use it before. It says pay attention to your surroundings. But yeah, this is cool. Like, it's actually telling me live directions and giving me a visual feedback of like, okay, this is the way I'm supposed to go. I'm turning this way, but that's not the right way. Cool. It's good to know that. So yeah, let's go down here. Walking across the street. But yeah, this is a really good feature. This live view, they did a bit. Oh, cool. So I was a little lost. It wasn't far at all. But yeah, I thought it was a show off. Shout out to Google for coming out with the innovation, because this augmented reality camera